Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Easy Tricks app. In today's video, I will tell you how to change Snapchat emojis. For this, first of all, open your Snapchat app and after that, go to your profile, then go to settings and then scroll down and here under privacy control, go to customize emojis. Here you can see you have all different options. If you want to change super BFF, you can change its emoji. If you want to change BFF's emoji, you can choose your favorite emoji. You can change it for besties, for BFs, for my AI, also for mutual besties and mutual BFs, and also for snap streaks. And the last, pinned conversations. So these are all your chat options. You can change your Snapchat emojis from here. This is easy and simple. That's it from today's video, guys. If you are new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Take care.